What if I told you that the biggest technology companies on Earth are quietly afraid of artificial intelligence? Not because AI might become evil, not because it might destroy humanity, but because AI is starting to expose something far more dangerous for them: their weakness. The same companies that dominate your phone, your internet, your work tools, and your digital life are now facing a technology they cannot fully control. And the truth is, this fear did not start with robots or science fiction. It started the moment AI began thinking faster than corporate power structures could react. For years, big tech sold us a simple story: technology equals progress. Faster apps, smarter algorithms, better recommendation. And for a long time, that story worked. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Apple built trillion-dollar empires by controlling platforms, data, and attention. They did not just create tools. They created digital ecosystems where everything flows through them: search, social media, cloud computing, online ads. These systems quietly shape how the world thinks, buys, and communicates. We trust these systems every single day. We trust them with our location, our thoughts, our conversations, our work, and even our memories. But artificial intelligence is changing the balance of power in a way big tech never fully planned for. AI is no longer just supporting these platforms, it is starting to replace them. At first, AI was safe. It optimized ads, it recommended content, it improved targeting. Big tech loved this version of AI because it made their control stronger. But then something shifted. Generative AI arrived. AI that writes, designs, codes, analyzes, and explains instantly. Suddenly, people didn't need 10 different apps. One AI interface could do the job of entire software stacks. And that's when fear quietly entered the room. Let's talk about search, because this is where the panic really begins. Google's business depends on clicks. Every click means ads. Every ad means revenue. But AI does not want you to click. AI wants to answer. When users get complete answers directly from AI, the traditional search model collapses. This is not theory. Internal industry data already shows that AI answers reduce website traffic dramatically. That is why, even though Google publicly pushes AI search, it is also incredibly cautious. AI threatens Google's core business more than any rival ever did. Big tech is racing to build AI, but at the same time, they are trying to slow it down. This sounds contradictory, but it's strategic. Move too fast, and they destroy their own revenue models. Move too slow, and someone else takes over. This is not innovation anymore. This is damage control. Now expand this fear beyond search. AI can now write production-level code, generate marketing strategies, design user interfaces, and automate workflows that once required entire teams. Software companies that charge monthly subscriptions are watching their value disappear. Why pay for 5 tools when one AI assistant can replace them all? AI compresses industries, and compression is deadly for companies built on complexity. For the first time, a single individual with AI can compete with corporations. A solo creator can build products, a small team can outperform giants. Power is shifting away from institutions toward individuals. And historically, institutions never give up power willingly. Around this point, big tech began talking a lot about AI safety. On the surface, this sounds responsible, but many safety discussions are also about control. Strict AI regulations are expensive. Compliance requires lawyers, audits, infrastructure, and global coordination. Big tech can afford this. Startups and open source communities cannot. Regulation becomes a gatekeeper. The result, innovation slows down for everyone, except the companies already on top. Recent policy debates in the US, UK, and Europe show this pattern clearly. The loudest voices calling for regulation often belong to the companies that benefit the most from it. This is not about stopping AI, it's about owning the future of artificial intelligence. But money is only one layer of fear. The deeper fear is psychological. Corporations are built on hierarchies. Managers manage, executives decide. Authority flows downward. AI breaks this structure. Modern AI systems can analyze markets faster than executives, optimize strategies better than managers, and write cleaner code than junior engineers. This creates an uncomfortable question inside boardrooms. If AI makes better decisions, what happens to leadership? AI does not just threaten jobs, it threatens identity. Many powerful people built their status on being decision makers. AI challenges that role. And unlike past tools, AI does not ask for permission. It simply works. Internal reports from the tech industry already show rising anxiety. Not public statements, private conversations. The fear is not that AI will replace workers first. The fear is that AI will reveal how inefficient corporate structures really are. Layers of management suddenly look unnecessary. Meetings look pointless. Decision chains look slow. AI exposes inefficiency with brutal honesty. Now pause and think about everyday life. Your phone navigation, your banking systems, your work software, your internet connection. All of it increasingly relies on AI-driven infrastructure. This makes life more convenient, but also more fragile. When AI systems fail, the impact is instant and global. And big tech knows this. The more society depends on AI, the more responsibility and risk they carry. Here's the twist most people don't expect. The biggest threat to big tech is not rogue AI, it's open AI. Open source models, decentralized AI tools, and community-driven innovation are moving faster than corporate systems. These models don't need permission. They don't rely on centralized platforms. They spread globally overnight. Control disappears. This leads to the shocking truth. Big tech doesn't fear AI becoming conscious. They fear AI becoming independent. Independent from platforms, independent from centralized servers, independent from corporate control, because once intelligence becomes decentralized, gatekeepers lose their power forever. And here is the authentic twist that almost no one talks about. Some of the biggest AI breakthroughs today are not coming from big tech labs. They are coming from small research teams, universities, and open communities. The future of AI might not belong to corporations at all. It might belong to people who refuse to be locked into ecosystems. That is the real reason big tech is nervous. Not because AI will destroy the world, but because AI might finally democratize power. And history shows that whenever power spreads, empires fall. This is exactly why we created Tech Myst, to go beyond surface-level tech news and uncover what technology really means for power, freedom, and the future. Not hype, not fear, just the truth behind the machines. So here's the final question I want to leave you with. If AI gives everyone intelligence at scale, who really controls the future? The companies that built the systems or the people who use them? If this perspective surprised you, stay connected. A lot more is coming. Drop your thoughts in the comments, because the smartest discussions happen there. And if you want to understand technology before it shapes you, not after, subscribe and turn on the bell. You won't want to miss what's next.